Hey guys, I did it. After 3 days of complete insanity, I got a lot of stuff rendered on the screen at 60 frames per second in 4K resolution. This opens the door to insane type of stuff coming up on my YouTube channel, where I'll be building actual worlds that stretch for miles and miles. After making this, now I realize why there aren't that many voxel engines or games like Minecraft out there right now. Because I would not wish on my worst enemy what you have to do to get to this point. It's absolutely insane, the amount of setup and all kinds of things you have to do to achieve this. Now, my next step is to integrate this into my game engine. And of course, I don't even have to render everything you see on the screen right now. This is just too much. We'll always see a lot less than this in the game. But that's a good thing because it's running at 60 FPS right now, and less geometry is gonna get even better. To be honest, I thought I was gonna fail it. I did not know that I would actually be able to do this. So guys, now we're gonna edit this huge world.